See, I was talking to this guy few months ago, and I said to him that first of all, I need to wear something from my brand right now. Just can't film something and not promote my brand. Okay? So this is the bag, and inside it has my favorite picks from Amala Jewels. There's this box. Look at it. Wow. Look at this. Are you even kidding me? Wow. I initially planned to launch Amala. It was actually in March, I guess, when I got the products to try it out, test it out. I used to post reels with it as well, and then there were people asking where's the earring from, where's the necklace from, and I used to tell them that it's gonna be launched super soon. It's gonna be my own brand. I'm starting my own jewelry brand. But the thing is, the proper work that I started doing was from June. But during March, I had this thing I want to start something of my own. I want to start my jewelry brand. But then it never worked out. I had so many things going on in my personal life. But as I say, that's not an excuse to make. But I wanted to try out the products first. I don't want it to rush into things. If you want to start something of your own, if you want to achieve certain things, then you have to do it no matter what. Because there's always gonna be something happening in your life, and you just can't get away with it just because you're not able to manage multiple things at a time. Because if you want to achieve big things, you gotta learn how to multitask. I wish I would have started Amala sooner, but it's okay. It's never too late to start something. I'm just trying to balance, because I don't want to give myself a negative self-talk early in the morning. Yeah, it's never too late to start something. If you're also someone like me who wants to start something of your own and you're just scared how to, start, how to manage everything, just start. Trust me, it gets better, and trust me, it gets easier once you start it. I don't give my fear the power to control how I function. Sometimes we let the fear to hold the power on us, on our thoughts, that it leads to missing out so many opportunities that later on we regret and wish that we would have taken it sooner and just grabbed it. I always have this fear. I don't want to be in my late 30s and regret something that I wish I would have did in my 20s. So that's why if I want to do something in my 20s, I just want to do it. Don't be so scared of failures, because trust me, you get to learn a lot from your failures. When it comes to YouTube, I actually started my YouTube in 2016. I was in school and I used to make this, short films which were quite funny. And I used to upload it, and I used to keep it private because I didn't wanted my friends to see my YouTube videos, because I was so underconfident. In school I was so shy, and I used to upload videos and used to keep it private just because I had the fear what will people think and how people will react if they get to see my videos. And I ended up deleting those videos from my YouTube channel. I wish I would have had those videos. I could have shown you guys and we could have reacted to those videos. They were quite funny. Okay, then in 2020 I filmed multiple YouTube videos to put on my channel, but I never did. Again, the thought of what people might think and how people will react to my videos when they see my videos. And then 2021 came. I don't know how I got this self-confidence in me. I started my content creation journey properly. अच्छे से मैंने करना चालू किया था, because उसके पहले तक मेरे अंदर बिल्कुल भी self confidence नहीं था. I used to seek others validation and others approval for my content, for everything that I do in life. And regardless of what I think, how I want things to be, I used to have this multiple self-doubts in me. Then 2021 came. Since मैंने बस content create करना चालू कर दिया, and I stopped thinking about the what ifs and what not, and I just started creating content. And then I realized it was the fear I gave power to when I was in school, that to control how I function and to control my thoughts. If मैंने मेरी fear को इतनी power दी नहीं होती, तो I might have started my content creation when I was in school. But it's okay. I don't want to regret, because I think that's the worst feeling. I hate the feeling of regret. So that's why I just avoid. Whenever I get this thought कि यार मैंने ये क्यों नहीं किया, just be okay, it's not a rejection, it's a redirection. It's not a failure, it's a learning to success. That's how I try to comfort myself, or try to have a positive mindset. just how I like to function. I don't want to have negative mindset because it's like I'm really at the peak point of career and there is so much of happening. And when it comes to life in 20s, there is a lot happening in your life, okay? Especially after graduation, there are teenagers who needs to know and who needs to understand how to be delusional and how to be practical at the same time, because you just can't be delusional 24/7 and you can't be practical 24/7. This is my perspective. Being practical आपको जीना सिखाता है and being delusional makes you a dreamer and gives you that passion and gives you that push कि अगर ये चाहिए तो ये करना पड़ेगा. अगर इतने बड़े बड़े सपने हैं, अगर इतने सारे सपनों को पूरा करना है, then I also have to be practical, handle my current situation, and while I'm handling these things along the side, I can try to achieve my dreams and my goals. See, I was talking to this guy a few months ago. I was talking to him about career and everything, that I feel like I'm a lot delusional, so like let's just chuck it. And he was like, no, you're not a delusional, you're a dreamer. There's nothing wrong in it. That just hit me hard, that you're not delusional, we are the dreamers, okay? We have big dreams, we have big goals, and we have these things planned for us for our future, and there's nothing wrong in it. If your dreams don't scare you, then you gotta change your dreams, to be honest, because your dreams gotta scare you that भाई साहब ये मुझसे कैसे होगा. These are just way too big dreams for me to have. That's when you have to push yourself that okay, they might seem a lot big and they might seem a lot scary for me now, but वही तो मज़ा है, वही तो असली मज़ा है, when you like chase your dreams that I'm gonna make it happen, I'm gonna make it mine. Then when you look back at your old days and you're like, okay, once I used to think that what the life I have right now is once I dreamed of. And when someone says you are being delusional talking about your dreams or talking about your plans, just tell him that I am a dreamer and not delusional. And if that person is not even worth this golden lines, just two golden words:
fuck off.
Understand the Vatavaran and pick your golden lines according to it. It can be this or it can be that.
Fuck off.
You know what I mean. And I get the stress, okay? There are a lot of things happening in my life. Sometimes it gets overwhelming. Sometimes it leads to overthinking. Sometimes it leads to stress. And it's okay to feel all those emotions because you are human. You can't be chill all the time. You can't be stress-free all the time. You can't be like, okay, I have everything figured out. I have everything sorted out. You can't be like that. Especially life in 20s. Especially to middle-class women who have big dreams to achieve, who have a single parent. It's a lot harder on them, to be honest. Not to compare, but yeah, it is what it is. Yes, that is it for my YouTube video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.